welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a beautiful swan floating on the water? Well, let's get started. In order to draw a swan, we are going to print the number 2. We are going to trace around our 2. We're gonna just follow the lines. Okay, so now when we get to the bottom here, we're going to go all around and we're going to meet it to this point. Okay, and this is where you can just draw little curls just like that, part of the feather. Okay, now for our swan, we're going to add some more feathers, little curled lines. Okay, and then we can just continue behind it. The little arches there. And then here we'll just add another line just like that. Okay, so now for the beak, we're going to add curved shape. So it has a little point and then we're going to join it. Okay, and for the eye, we're just going to draw a little curved line just like that. Now I'm using my thin Sharpie, and then we'll draw another line underneath it. Okay, and we're going to just shade in the little pupil here. There. Okay, now we'll just shade in a little bit of the cheek here, and I have a pale pink. And for the beak, I'm going to just color it in orange. And then around the eyes, there's sort of like a dark, well, it has black around it. So I'm just shading a little bit of the black with my pencil crayon. I'll also just shade around the edges with a silver pencil crayon. Okay, because swans are white as well. Swans are the largest waterfowl. They're the largest flight birds. Okay, so they're quite huge and they are definitely beautiful to look at. Now I'm also going to just add a line across to make it look like it's swimming in the water, or it's floating in the water. Okay, so I'm going to also color this blue. So the biggest swan can grow up to 59 inches long and weigh as much as 33 pounds. And there's about 6 species of swans, and they're considered to be a sign of love. They can live as long as 24 years. Swans like to eat roots, leaves, stems of plants. Okay, they pull it up from under the water. They are social and they can sleep while standing on one leg or just floating on the water. And they have around 25,000 feathers. Okay. All right, so before I go, I like to just share a cute joke. What's a swan's favorite dance? The feather shuffle. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.